Japan in 1945 was a nation in ruins. Its cities lay in ashes, its economy collapsed, and its people faced hunger, homelessness, and uncertainty.
The Second World War had ended, but for Japan, survival had only just begun.
The shock and scale of destruction pervaded every corner of the defeated nation.
After surrendering in August 1945, Japan came under foreign control for the first time in its history.
This is General Douglas MacArthur, who assumed total authority as the Supreme Commander for the Allied powers.
General MacArthur held near absolute authority, directly overseeing every major political and social decision for the defeated nation during the occupation.
Widespread starvation required immediate intervention. These relief efforts were essential to preventing societal collapse.
Restoring basic civic order was a critical, immediate priority for the occupation forces.
These focused emergency efforts proved successful in preventing a total societal collapse in the immediate post-war period.
For SCAP's guidance, American advisors oversaw the drafting of a sweeping new democratic constitution intended to fundamentally reshape Japanese governance.
In January 1946, perhaps the most dramatic change occurred. Emperor Hirohito publicly renounced his traditional claim to divine status before the nation.
I stand before you.
This broadcast had a profound and instantaneous historical impact, shifting the entire psychological identity of the Japanese populace away from militarism and toward a new, shared understanding.
Article 9 stipulated that Japan would permanently renounce war and the maintenance of land, sea, and air forces, cementing a fundamental commitment to pacifism.
This complete dismantling of former military infrastructure served as undeniable visual evidence of the transformation away from militarism under the occupation's mandate.
The new constitution extended unprecedented rights, including suffrage, to all adult Japanese women, fundamentally changing the social fabric.
Education was also democratized, offering adults, particularly women who had once been denied higher learning, the chance to gain new literacy and skills for the rebuilding effort.
The land reform program was radical, breaking up massive estates and transferring ownership directly to the tenant farmers, fostering a new sense of personal stake in Japan's.
Crucially, labor unions were legalized, finally affording workers the collective bargaining power necessary to secure fair wages and conditions.
With American investment and guidance, factories that lay silent for years began to hum back to life, slowly rebuilding the nation's industrial foundation.
First repairing the nation's extensive railway network was paramount. These lines were the arteries that would soon reconnect the fragmented economy and allow goods to flow freely.
This external guidance provided the stability and structure necessary to initiate broad economic recovery across all major urban centers.
The Korean War erupted, Japan was instantly transformed into a vital, proximate manufacturing and repair hub for the entire U.S. occupation force, flooding the dormant economy with essential contracts.
This massive influx of military procurement provided the financial injection that accelerated Japan's overall recovery far beyond initial projections for peaceful rebuilding.
American jazz and swing music flooded the cities, offering a new, energetic soundtrack to the occupation era, alongside Hollywood films.
Yet, amidst the new influences, deep-rooted Japanese traditions, like the disciplined path of the tea ceremony, persisted, offering a grounding cultural anchor.
Japan demonstrated remarkable resilience, absorbing and blending foreign influences into its established culture, forging the foundation for the modern nation. It is vital to remember that the occupation was not universally welcomed. Pockets of resistance voiced deep dissatisfaction with the foreign control and imposed changes.
Trials brought accountability war crimes, yet the complexity of these decisions, alongside strict censorship imposed by the occupiers, left a deep and often painful legacy on the national memory.
In 1952, following the signing of the Treaty of San Francisco, Japan finally regained its full sovereignty after 7 years under military administration.
From total destruction to recovery,
from militarism to democracy, from enemy to ally. The foundations laid during the U.S. occupation helped shape modern Japan.